Well, hello again, students. So finally, we are going to build the car. So you need to look in your kit for this bag. Actually, this bag is full of all these elements. I take them all already, but you can do it right now. And inside of this bag, you should have this. You see, this is the uh, maybe the manual, I don't know, the instructions to build this card. Actually, this one. Really good. So, here you have a list of all the elements that you are going to use, and you need to have all of them. So, check in that you have all these elements inside of your bag. And these are the steps to build the car. I guess this is really easy. I'm sure that you can do this by yourself only reading this. You should have this information on the kit, and if you lost it or you don't have it, don't worry, I will scan this and I'm going to share this with you. But if you rather to follow my directions, I'm going to build the card right here, right now, in front of you. First of all, I don't remember if this black element are attached to the direct current motors from the beginning. I don't remember. I got this already, but I've been playing around, so maybe I did it a long time ago and I don't remember. So don't worry if there is no attached. They are not attached. They are really easy to do. Just put them inside of the axis. If you see, it has a fixed shape, so there is no way you can commit any mistake because there is only one way to do this. And it might seem, might look like one axis is bigger than other, but I don't think that's true. Maybe it is. I don't know, but it doesn't matter. Put it in here or put it in here. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to put it here. That's it. And of course, you can move the position. You will see the function for this, so don't worry. Just attach it. And now let's get started with the plastic surfaces. You see, we have two of them. So let me take this out from the bag. I feel like I'm unboxing the Arduino kit. That's it. You see? Both of them are exactly the same. Ok. Entonces fue un error. Solo hay uno. So we have this plastic surface. So it's really easy. We need to put this switch over this element. You see? You can, okay, you cannot see. This is the switch to turn on or turn off your car. So it goes in this part. You can put it in this way or you can put it in this way. It doesn't matter. Actually, it's only aesthetical. And you just need to push it like this and be sure it fits properly, and that's it. Okay? And of course, we need to provide some electrical connections in here, but we can do this later. Or if you want to do it before, go ahead. You just need to cut some wires and weld these into the holes, and maybe you would like to use the thermofit that I just explained in some videos before. But we have this. Now we want to attach the servo motors into the plastic surface. So take one of these servo motors and be careful. This black wheels needs to fit in this cross surface. So put it like this. That's it. Maybe you don't need to be so cautious, but okay, that's it. And now we are going to use these T-like elements to attach the servos into the plastic surface. So we are going to do it this way. We put it from behind like this. So we have this mechanical attachment, you see. There's no way it could move this way. And we are going to use these screws inside of this, so the motor is not going to let this element to move in this direction. Okay, so with this element we have this restriction, and the motor is going to provide this restriction. Okay, and be careful, the screw head should be on this side so we can remove them easily. I have seen some of my students putting the screws in this way, and so it's really difficult to use the screw tool because we have the other motor in here, and so it's really hard to do it. So be careful. I don't know why they do this, but it's actually easier doing this. So let's just do this. Fine. Very good. So we put it like this, you see, and the other one has to be in this part of the surface. You see, we have this I don't know, change of on the surface, so we can put this in here. That's it, and so we have the same mechanical attachment. Oh, be careful. And that's it. And first of all, look that we have some holes in the motor. You see this and this. So the screws goes through these elements. So you need to align the holes like this, so the screws enter in both like this. Is this clear? So let's continue. I got something like this, and this is it, and that's it. And you see, we have this attachment now. And I need to provide this bolt in the other side so we can fix the motor over the surface. Actually, this bolt is going to, actually it's a nut, sorry, it's a nut. This nut, tuerca en español, it's going to press the motor in this direction, like this. It's going to press it like this. So we have this mechanical restriction and this mechanical restriction. This mechanical, so I cannot move in this way. It can move because I need to add the other screw. But I have this mechanical restriction and I have this mechanical restriction. Okay? So let me add the other screw. This is it. That's it. And add the, come on, come here. Sorry. I need to add the nut. And actually you can screw this with your hands, but it's not the proper way for doing. Maybe you can start with your hands and then you produce the tight connection with the screwing tool like this. This is it. You see? That's it. So now this is tight. That's it. You see? Pretty cool, right? So let's do the same for this second motor. So again, it goes like this, and I need to put this in here, and I need to put this in here, and then I need to use the screw like this. That's it. And then I need to add the nut. My hands are on the way, right? You're not able to see, sorry, but it's really hard to handle this and to show it into the camera, but that's it, you see? So you just put your finger in here and then you screw in the other side, and that's it. You will feel how the screw enters, and then you make it stay tight like this. That's it. Very good. So again, let's repeat the process. Insert the screw, pass it through, put the nut in the other side. That's it, you see, the nut. So you push with your finger and then you start screwing like this. That's it. Very, very good. And ready. We got this. So is this clear? So now we only need to attach the third wheel. This is going to be a two wheels element, you see, actually you can see here, two wheels, and this other, it's a, I don't know the name, crazy wheel, yes, that's the name. Okay, sorry. Two wheels, and this is a crazy wheel, like the wheels on your chair, or the wheels on the supermarket car. So just take this out, like this, you see. This wheel, it's nice because you have freedom on this movement. You can rotate on all these directions, and this moves on this direction. So this is a crazy wheel. It's really useful because you only need to control two wheels, and this provides a free movement. So we need just to attach this wheel, but you need to check something. Look, these are the wheels for my car. So if you attach the wheels into the car like this, let me see. Come on, do it. Okay, look. It has a shape, a fixed shape, exactly the same shape as the axis. Come on, camera, do it, please. Okay, it has the same shape. So you need to fit this into this, like this. So try to do it. Okay. Maybe you need to do it a little bit harder. Just try not to break this. That's it, you see? Okay, don't be afraid. You will not broke it. And again, we can do it in this side. Just please don't be afraid. So just be sure you are doing properly, and maybe you can do something like this. That's it. That's easier, okay? And that's it. Now you see, and then we need to attach the third wheel in here. That's it. Okay, but if we do something like this, you see, okay, let me move the camera so you can see this. You see, there is something like this. I'm going to exaggerate it, but the height from the ground to this, it's smaller than the distance from the ground to this. And so if I try to do this, my car is like this. I'm going to exaggerate, has this inclination. So this is not the way for doing. You need to turn this, and if you check this, now we got a little inclination in the other direction. So in the previous way it was something like this, and now we got something like this, but maybe smaller. So that's why we need to include these elements. You see, I'm going to show you this. You see these brackets, these are used to provide a proper separation from the surface to the ground, and so I got something without inclination. Let me attach this so you can see the way it fits. So I'm going to use the screws also, and if you see, we have some screw inside of this element, so this is like a nut, and then we can just put this inside like this. That's it. And actually I'm going to do the same for all of them. That's easier. Oh, come on. Sorry guys, it's late. That's it. And one more. Okay guys, something that you must be careful. Inside of this bag we have two kinds of screws, you see? One with the flat head. Come on, camera, do it for me, please. Yeah, something like this. That's it. You see, it has a flat head. Okay, I guess this is better. That's it. This has a flat head, and this has a round head. And this is a little bit larger than this, you see? So for these elements, we are going to use the small with round heads. Come on, camera, help me. Okay, we are going to use the small ones. So going back to the car, just doing this. That's it. And that's it. And just one more. That's it. There it is. That's it. So you see, I'm using the okay, again, camera, help me. Oh, don't fall, please. Give me a second. That's it. Oh, that's okay. That's it. You see, I'm using the round head, short round head. Okay, this is it. Come on, light, go away. It's really hard to control this. I need a manual camera. This is it. You see, the round small screws. We are not going to use the flat head screws. Okay. So the same goes for the lower part of the crazy wheel. It goes like this. Actually, look. Okay, you cannot see. Sorry. Talk to me and say we cannot see. And this is it. You see, if you put it in this way, it doesn't fit properly. So just turn it around and it fits properly. So there is only one way for doing this. So just put it like this and start putting the screws in the brackets. That's it. Let me use this tool. That's it. Pretty good. And this one, come on. There it is. Very good, very good. That's it. Just two more left. And come on. That's it. Pretty cool. And the last one. And that's it. You see now, it has no inclination. So the last time it was something like this because of the difference of the heights. And then if we don't use these elements, we have something like this. So this is the proper way for doing this. Right now, pay attention. We got this button in this way because for me it's easier to take your car and turn it on or turn it off from below because we are going to attach the card in this part. So I guess this is the best way. But if you want to put it in the other way, maybe it's not a so good idea, but if you want to do it, you can remove this. So just push and put it in this way. I don't think this is the best way for doing, but it's up to you. If you say, no, I want it like this, okay, do it. Now it's your design. And that's it. Very good. We have the card. So, of course, we need to attach the Arduino card in here and a lot of things, but we are going to do this later. So, see you guys on the next video.